Okay, this is the first worksheet, okay? How do we do this? We take this equation right here, we substitute. This is your x, this is your y. You take that equation, negative 2x plus y equals to 4, and substitute in your 0 for the x right here. So that's negative 2 times 0 plus that y which goes in here, plus that 4. Does that equal to 4? Yep, it does. So this is a yes. 0, 4 is a yes. Okay. Take the same equation, negative 2x plus y equals to 4. Substitute in x for negative 3. So that is negative 3 right there. Plus the negative 2. Does that equal to 4? That's 6 plus the negative 2. Yep. That does equal to 4. That's a yes. Same thing here. So we got negative 2x plus a y equals to 4. Substitute in negative 1 here, or that gets a positive 2, plus a 5 does not equal to a 4. This is a no, not on that graph. Same thing there, negative 2x plus y equals to 4. So this is your x, this is your y. Substitute that in. That's 3. Negative 6 plus, it's 10 there. Does that equal to 4? That's a yes. Okay. And that's it there. And same thing here. This one, this is, okay, the equation is y equals to x squared, right? That'd be 9. 9, does that equal to negative 3 squared? Yes, it does, because negative 3 squared is negative 3 times negative 3, which is 9. So 9 does equal to 9, so this is a yes. Okay, you do the same here. Y equals to x squared. Y is 10 here, and x is 5 here. 5 squared is 25. It does not equal to 10. So this is a no. It's not part of the graph. And then I leave the last one. This one, testing your order of operation skills. So this is y equals to 2x squared plus 3. Y equals 2, x is 1 squared, add 3. So it's 2, does that equal to 5? Yes, it does. Because 1 squared is 1, times 2 is 2, equals to 5. Yes, that's a yes. You do these last few. I'm going to check the work for those because kids tend to miss that order of operation stuff. Okay, so this one I'm gonna leave and see who can do it without me helping. This is review. You're solving equations. Okay, if you've forgotten how to do this one, maybe, okay, I'll do this one. You guys do 3 and 4 because it's finding slope and y-intercept. Distribute that. 12. Distribute first, parentheses means to multiply, negative 6x. On the other side, distribute first, multiply first. This is subtract, add and subtract left to right last. This is a negative 3, so be careful with that. Okay, that's 5 plus negative 6 plus negative 3 and negative 4 is positive 12x. Combine these together, you get negative 1 plus 12x. Okay, add 6x, 18x, (13) equals to 18x, divide by 18, 13 over 18. One solution. Let me double check and make sure. Okay. I think I did everything right. Okay, that's that one. Then you do 3 and 4, because if you guys don't know how to do it, I need to see. Here's the thing. When two graphs comes together and they meet, that's called one solution. This is a graph and this is a graph. It meets twice. That's called two solution. When they're parallel, notice the slopes are the same. They're going to be parallel lines. They never meet. There's no solution. When they are the same thing and all of them match at the same time, it's called infinite solution. Okay. So if you were out, this is the note when it goes into all there. Okay. All right. You graph these. So the first graph is this one here, starting at 1, going down 1, and right 3. Down 1, right 3. Like that. And then this one here, starting at negative 3, go up 1 to the left 1. Oh, there's the solution. Right at that point. And that point is negative, that's a positive 6 and negative 1. One solution at 6 and negative 1. We know it's one solution, the slopes are different. Notice before we get graphing, we know what type of solution it is. Okay, that's how you do that. And you just graph these. That's infinite many. That's no solution. They're the same equation, so it's infinite many. Okay, let's solve each one of these for y. So you see it's important that you know how to solve for y, right? Because you're doing it again. 5x minus 5 to both sides, minus 5 equals negative 1y. So 1 divided by negative 1. Negative 5x plus 5 equals to y. Graphing that at 5, go down 5 over 1. Okay? And then graph doing this one, add 4x. Leaves you 2y equals 4 minus 4x. Okay, y equals 2 minus 2x, so you start out at a positive 2. Go down 2 over 1. Oh, there's the solution right there. It's one solution. At That's 1, 0. Okay, I'm tired. Been a busy day for me, boys and girls. Okay, so you write the equation for each one of this, and then you use substitution. Okay. Oh, that was it. That wasn't much work. Okay. Suppose you're testing 2 fertilizer on bamboo plant A and B, which are growing under identical conditions. Plant A is 6 centimeters tall and growing at a rate of 4 miles per day. 4 centimeters per day, 4 miles per day. Wow. It starts out at 6, so that must be the y-intercept. But it starts out, plus 4 centimeters per day. Okay. Plant B, I'm tired, kids. That's why you see me stopping. My mind is just, whew. Hopefully I don't make too many mistakes. Starts out at 10 centimeters tall and go at a rate of 2 centimeters per day. Starts out 10, going at 2 centimeters per day, equals to y. Okay, D is the number a day. That's the equation. Oh, we need to define the variable. You didn't have to graph. Okay, D, number of days, or time and day. Actually, the high school wants you to write time and day. And Y is the height of each plant. Okay, you don't have to graph it, but you could have. I should have just left it here for you to graph. I said no graphing needed. All right, you'll see where they meet. That's the same.